Hello friends, and welcome to my channel for something a little different today. This is more of a programming note kind of video. I've hemmed and hawed about doing YouTube memberships for a long time. The reality is that YouTube has kind of changed things up. It's made discoverability more difficult, made it harder to get views, and I just can't really justify putting like 25, 30 hours into like an action figure build or customization or a diorama, plus another 4 or 5 hours into editing the video, uploading it, doing all the, logistic stuff of getting it up to YouTube. And then it like just tanks with like limited views, right? YouTube is not my full-time job. It basically is a part-time job at this point. But in order to justify taking time away from my full-time job, which is also very time consuming and requires a lot of me, and I don't just get to clock in and clock out. It's very much a like do it till the job is done thing. To be completely transparent with you, I probably make like, if I'm lucky, about $100 a month off YouTube. Sometimes more, sometimes less. 100 is the threshold that you have to hit for them to even send you a check that month. So if I make $95 off of YouTube one month, I gotta wait a whole extra month for the next month's revenue to kick in, and then I get a check for both, right? So when I started this, it was a way to kind of supplement my income and try to grow, an audience for my comic book work, right? And I'm also doing all these action figures and customs, and they exist in the same world. So it just really made sense, right? To share them that way. And this has grown very organically into something really cool in a community that I love, and I want to keep doing it, but it's really hard to justify the amount of time that goes into it if I'm making so little. I would probably save more money not making YouTube videos than I actually make from YouTube, just because of all the time that goes into it I could put toward doing my actual job, right? Now, is that your problem? Not at all. But people who enjoy my channel and who want to keep supporting it, I want to create a way that you can do that, and I can still make videos for you and share with you, because ultimately that's what I love to do. I love like sharing the stuff that I make with you all and showing you how I did it, because a lot of times I'm trying to make a figure that we all purchased better, right? And I'm showing you, here's how I did it. Here's how I made it better. Here are the supplies I used. You can try it too. Ultimately, I want to really try to inspire creativity here, because I love being creative. It's my lifeblood. It's what I do for a living. And it just brings me a lot of joy, and I want to spread that joy, right? So I need to find a way to make it more economically feasible to do that. And if you look at every channel that is, somebody who's able to put a lot of time and effort into what they do, and a lot of people who even do it for a living, they have a membership set up, right? Or they have a Patreon. You'll see it and hear it in every video, like, go support me over on Patreon, or check out YouTube channel membership, right? I don't want to send you all to a different website, so Patreon is out for me. So I decided to go with YouTube memberships. Now, I recognize that everybody hits us with subscription fees. You practically have to have a subscription if you have a new car now to like have your seat warmers on or something, like it's pretty ridiculous. We got Netflix, we got HBO, we got Hulu, we got Disney Plus, we got Adobe if you do use the Creative Suite, you got, YouTube if you don't want ads. Like all this stuff stacks up. I don't want to be one more financial burden on people, but I want to keep doing this. So the happy medium I decided on is a $2 a month membership tier, and that's it, right? So for $2 a month, you're going to get exclusive videos that only members get to watch. The idea here is that if that can help kind of get me to the threshold every month of actually getting the payout from YouTube, then I can keep doing it. I can keep making videos, and at a $2 tier, they can be less formal. I can kind of do it more vlog style like this, where I'm just talking to you, right? And showing you stuff at the same time. I get a lot of action figures that I pick up in, online, or, if I go to a toy show or a local toy store or something like that, and they don't always fit into like a build I'm gonna make, right? But they are part of my collection, and I display them. One of my favorite things to do is just put stuff on my shelves, organize it, like display it in a cool way, find things that fit with other displays that I have. So I want to share that stuff with you guys. And I want to do that through the membership only videos. For example, 5K Toys has been letting orders stack up, and then they send them all at once. So I just got 3 figures in the mail that I pre-ordered months apart within the last year and a half or 2 years. They've already been reviewed by a bunch of people, right? So there's no point in me doing a review and spending all the time making and editing that video. But I do think there's a point in me sharing it with you guys and showing you, hey, here's something I got that I like, or that I think needs work, or that I want to customize, or that is perfect and I'm going to put it right in this display I already have established, right? I think it'd be really fun to share that kind of stuff with you guys. and to do it in a much more breezy kind of way that isn't as heavily edited. So that's my plan for the membership, is I'm going to be sharing those kinds of pickups with you guys. I just got back from a trip and I went to a couple toy stores there and picked up some really cool, fun stuff, right? I also collect retro stuff too, trying to recapture little bits of my childhood that were fun or memorable. I love carded 90s figures. I've been picking up those. I like to appreciate the card art on them. So there's a lot of stuff that I want to share with you all that doesn't fit sort of my regular video topics that my viewership doesn't expect from me, right? So those videos won't do well if I just put them out there, right? They might get a couple hundred views. It wouldn't be worth the time making them. But if I'm doing it for the channel members, then there's a direct reward in making those videos based on the subscription. So that's the plan moving forward. I already have several that are ready to go. There should already be at least one up as of the posting of this video. So here's where I invite you to become a YouTube channel member. I know that was a lot. You guys are probably used to me rambling, right? If you click the join button below any video on the channel and just follow the on-screen information, it'll tell you how to do it. And then you get to watch the videos that are tagged with the green membership only icon at the bottom. I'm going to try to do more fun stuff like Q&A videos, polls, that kind of thing. There's a lot of really fun potential here, and I plan to really dig into this stuff as we move forward. But I wanted to extend the invite to you now, let you know that it's happening, let you know that there's already at least one video up. And just once again, thank you all for the support over the years, whether you're brand new to the channel or whether you've been here since the beginning. I appreciate all the comments, the conversations, the memories. Sometimes you guys tell me, oh, I had that as a kid, or, oh, my dad and I used to watch that movie that you made a figure of, and that kind of stuff. I love having those chats with you guys. I love sharing this information of what I'm making, how I'm making it, how you can do it. So thank you all so much for your support. As I say in every video, it really does mean the world to me. In a time when people aren't even making stuff anymore, like they're just plugging a sentence into an algorithm and it generates some AI slop. It's really fun to be able to share this stuff with you all and show you that it comes from like my hands and raw materials and just, general human ingenuity. And those of you who support that, I can't shout you out enough, and I really appreciate it. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, please hit that channel member subscription, and I will see you in the next one. Keep your head on swivel. So that is going to do it for this video. I want to thank you all so much for watching. I invite you to click the like button and hit subscribe and join me as I make cool stuff. Custom figures, dioramas, vehicles to go with the figures. I review new stuff that I get on the channel. If you're looking for other ways to support this, I've got t-shirts available. My Head on Swivel shirt, as well as several other action figure and comic book themed shirts, are available in my Redbubble shop. If you've never used Redbubble, it's pretty great. You pick the color shirt, the style, and the design you want, and they ship it right to you. Now, if you're not a t-shirt person, but you like comics, I've got several comics and graphic novels available, namely my books High Crimes, Count, and Retroactive. High Crimes is kind of Breaking Bad meets Cliffhanger. Retroactive is like James Bond meets Groundhog Day, and Count is my sci-fi reimagining of the Count of Monte Cristo. Think kind of a, John Wick meets Batman meets Zorro. It's a cool story with swashbuckling action and sword fights and vehicle chases, and it's about redemption, revenge, and revolution. So those are all available at your local comic shop, bookstore, or at the links in the description below. So to everyone who's picked up a shirt already or one of my books, thank you so much. That means the absolute world to me, and I really, really appreciate it. It really helps make it so that I can do this kind of stuff and bring you more videos. Couldn't ask for anything more, so thank you. So that's gonna do it for this one. Until next time, keep your head on swivel.